high level and mathematical functions and general purpose. Using programming language Python. How to download install Python latest version. Setup in Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Browser open Google search box లో Python download enter key press. Official link first section లో display python.org downloads. Download Python first link mouse left click. Python redirectory official page complete display. Downloads the latest version for Windows. Default button. Download Python latest version 3.13.2. Supporting OS. First one Windows. Other OS Linux, Unix, Mac OS users also download install use this Python application. Present Windows setup. Yellow color button. Download Python button click. Download section లో Python latest version 3.13.2 AMD 64.exe setup file downloading process start. After downloading process completed, next installation setup process. Open file, mouse left click. Browser minimize. Python 3.13.2 64-bit supporting setup window లో bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side box or tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second one, add python.exe to path. Left side tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second option, customize installation select. Optional features default all options tick mark set. Second button next click. Advanced options. First one, install Python 3.13 for all users. Left side box or tick mark set. Mouse left click and other options also tick mark set. Customize installation location. Default local disk C program files. Newly created Python 3.13. In case change the location easiest identification folder. Program files folder remove. Second button install click. Admin privileges window lo first button yes click. Setup progress. Installing Python related exe and setup files. Installation process start. Wait and here few seconds. Installation process completed. Setup was successful. Display. Close button click. Python latest version 3.13 successful installation checking process. Windows search box lo CMD type. First option command prompt select. Python text command enter. Python space version. Enter key press. Installed version Python latest version 3.13.2. Next enter Python. Enter key press. Enter here Python simple text code. Print open bracket double quoted output related text chari tech info. Close double quoted close bracket. Enter key press. Output chari tech info. Mathematical calculations 5 plus 5. Enter key press. 10. Command prompt shell window close. Windows search box lo Python IDL enter. Second one, IDLE Python using for GUI graphical user interface. Develop Python scripts. First one Python. This is also using for coding terminal. Enter scripts. IDL Python. First option select. Simple code Python. Print open bracket preferences double quoted chari tech info. Close double quoted close preferences. Enter key press. Output chari tech info. Mathematical function 2 plus 2. Enter. 4. File menu click. New option select. A is equal to 5. Enter key press. B is equal to 15. Enter key press. Print open bracket A plus B close bracket, file menu, click, save option select, desktop option select, enter the file name, chari, extension .py, first button, save, click, created file display on desktop. Next, fourth menu, run, click, first option, run module, click, output 20, close idle shell.